A fatty liver can lead to serious health complications if left unchecked. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, breaking down fats, and supporting digestion. However, when excess fat accumulates in the liver, it can lead to conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Fortunately, certain drinks can help cleanse the liver and reduce fat buildup naturally. Here are 5 of the best drinks to support liver health and promote fat metabolism. 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is one of the simplest and most effective drinks for liver detoxification. The high vitamin C content in lemons helps boost the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can stimulate digestion, promote bile production, and flush out toxins. The acidity of lemon also helps balance pH levels in the body and aids in breaking down fat stored in the liver. Staying hydrated with lemon water throughout the day ensures the liver remains efficient in filtering waste from the bloodstream. 2. Green tea. Green tea is another excellent drink for liver health. Rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant, green tea has been shown to improve liver function and reduce fat accumulation. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea can lower liver enzyme levels and decrease inflammation, making it a powerful natural remedy for fatty liver disease. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can enhance metabolism, support weight loss, and reduce oxidative stress on the liver. Choosing high-quality, organic green tea without added sugar ensures maximum benefits. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, when consumed in moderation, can help cleanse the liver and promote fat loss. It contains acetic acid, which supports metabolism and helps break down fats in the liver. Mixing 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water and drinking it before meals can improve digestion and reduce fat buildup. This drink also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those at risk of developing insulin resistance, a common factor in fatty liver disease. However, it is essential to dilute apple cider vinegar to avoid damage to tooth enamel and the digestive tract. 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients that support liver detoxification. The natural compounds in beets, such as betalains and nitrates, help improve blood circulation and enhance bile flow, which assists in breaking down fats. Regular consumption of beetroot juice can reduce liver inflammation and promote the removal of toxins. Drinking freshly prepared beetroot juice, either alone or combined with other liver-friendly ingredients like carrots and ginger, provides a potent cleansing effect while also boosting overall energy levels. 5. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is another powerful drink for liver health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies show that curcumin helps protect the liver from damage, supports bile production, and enhances fat metabolism. Drinking turmeric tea daily can help reduce liver fat, prevent oxidative stress, and improve overall liver function. Preparing turmeric tea by boiling fresh turmeric root or using turmeric powder in hot water, along with black pepper to enhance absorption, maximizes its effectiveness in cleansing the liver. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can significantly improve liver health and reduce fat accumulation. A combination of hydration, antioxidants, and natural detoxifying compounds helps the liver function optimally and prevents long-term complications. Along with consuming these beverages, maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding processed foods and excessive alcohol intake will further support liver health and overall well-being.